Hello, Kevin. Good morning, Internet, and just a little update on today's trip. When you wake up early in the morning, and this is the view that you get, and it's yet another miserable day, don't be fooled. This is just circumstance. Do not be moved by circumstance. This is not going to remain like this. I'm sure it can only get better, even though it's been raining consistently. So yeah, this is what a motorcyclist is faced with, whether he's got to go to work or on a day off. The wind is not promising at all, and at least if it's raining, visibility is terrible, to say the least. So no high-speed riding, but yeah, we'll carry on, and I'm going to persist and bring you the footage of today's toy run, which goes to show that motorcyclists, like pilots, have a loose nut or two. So yeah, I'll see you in a moment and bring you the rest of the footage. I hope you enjoy it, and see you just now. Hi, good morning. The weather's still, as you saw earlier on, and I didn't make much plans to go for the toy run today. As you see, there's no toys attached to my motorcycle. In previous runs, I would have a toy bigger than the motorcycle itself. I don't have this time, but that's okay. I'll help them financially with whatever I got. But I'm certainly going, because time on earth is very short, way too short to not do things, whether it's professionally, leisure, family. You do it all, man. This after I've spent a year fighting these coronal attacks, and before we get into lockdown, because it's very possible, let's get going. Let's go and meet my friends. I've got a guy who's even older than I am, I think. I can't remember, but he's in my age. He's a granddad almost. I'm a granddad. So I'm just going to oil this a little, just to make this a little bit more serviceable. And whilst I talk, I might as well carry on. That's more than enough. You don't have to overlube a chain to make it safe and serviceable. Inner, outer, a little bit on the side. Like I said, don't overlube. If you overlube the chain, you are literally causing it to attract more dirt. So yeah, there you go. Bike is ready to get going. Chain is pretty clean. It's not as dirty as I've seen it before, and it's lubed. That's all it needs. Nothing more, nothing less. So the stand is down. It's time to release the bike. And it must fall to the one side only. There we go. Good thing with a 600 is you can pretty much do this with one hand. Trolley's off, and now for my outfit. And I think she's ready to go. Right, so I'll bring you the rest of the footage as we go along. And I hope you enjoyed the toy run, which has planned for a bit, but in my case I didn't have the opportunity. I've been busy with many other things, so I'll see you in a moment. I'll be filming as much as I can, even if the weather is as you see. So, see you. Right, I'm going to be meeting my friend Les in a moment. I'm a bit early, so looking forward to this trip so far. It hasn't been too bad. There are a number of motorcyclists on the road, and the rain is not there, so that's a good start. It is a bit chilly. It was about 9 degrees when I left, and I trust that it's only going to get warmer from here onwards. So I'm just going to keep an eye on him and camera ready, because I have no doubt there are going to be other motorcyclists here. So yeah, she's been behaving herself. Just a little update on the motorcycle. I took because the bike had been dropped as previously discussed, you'll note that the switch, the side stand switch over here, was damaged, and that started causing trouble. So Honda was kind enough to bypass the whole thing. So I hear a motorcycle, by the way, so I'm going to turn this around and continue talking, but film the outdoors, because I think my friend Les is about to come out. I think he's there. Wish I could zoom in, but I can't. So yeah, let's see what the day brings. And here he comes. Now he's properly dressed up. I feel awkward. I don't have a single item to put on my bike, and this is how you're supposed to look like when you go for a toy run. I didn't bring a single one. I'm going to do a financial contribution. It's okay.
That's what they do. You either pay to go in, or else you give it. Oh.
But you're supposed to look like this. This is how you're supposed to look like. So yeah, listen, it was a bit more difficult to get out of bed this morning.
Why so?
Is your son coming?
Yeah, he's just having a coffee.
Cool. I missed out on that one, but I had my vitamins. Ah, there he is. We're ready to go. Okay, it seems like we've arrived, and obviously the crowd is going to be overwhelming. We got all sorts of motorcycles going here, including the superbikes, and that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh man.
He was sitting up earlier, but he keeps kicking me in the back.
I'm talking about the MV, friend. Let's go see what else is here. I'm gonna have some coffee. I'll see you guys around. ZX over there, and very interesting motorcycles around here. Now, of course, the odd Harley, Cross Runner, a little too tall for me, that. GT Sprint, some interesting equipment around here. Very nice chromey Rocket 3 over here. Howdy, howdy, howdy. 107, oh my goodness. Spotless. Cheers, I'm gonna have a coffee. And let's go have a coffee quickly. Here we go. We'll start off with the muffin here and the coffee. Yes, I want the muffin here, but I want the coffee that side.
It's okay, sir.
So
that's all perfect. You have chocolate muffin,
chocolate bread. I'll have a brand, thank you.
Muffin,
and you don't mind going on YouTube, do you?
no, I don't mind at all.
Excellent.
This is Portia from Mike and Queen. I really, yeah.
Nothing like a little
I accept.
advertising. Excellent.
Thank And to come to Irene and to come to Mike and Bean.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. That's
Why
gonna
is
be
it
30
flickering?
bucks for a muffin.
Right away.
Thank
I
you
hope
so
you
much,
got
sir.
change. Have you got change or must I use the
yes,
card?
we do have change, sir.
Here we go. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So I
Thank
can
you
go
very
to the
much.
other side.
Right.
I've got the 600, but that's why I took the exhaust off, so it sounds like something else. Yeah, no, that's much better, man. Are we going? Hey, the trip here so far has been fantastic. The wind is a little hectic, but there were enough bikes to make this a memorable occasion. So yeah, now we're just going to hang around, socialize and deliver the presents, because that's what we're here for, to deliver some toys and finances to assist with the most needy. Anyway, here we are in Benoni, and there's another NC, by the way, 750. So yeah, we'll continue with this video. Here's the rest of the crowd. One crowd at a time. We were the first to arrive, and now the second lot. Chicken Ducati out.
Yeah.
Couple of them. Here's our line out. Not the biggest one we've had, but certainly worthy. Hi there. Worthy of a proper toy run. This is the second batch, and we have some 6-cylinder that. Half an hour, sir. That's an interesting one. Wow. Sorry. Now here's one you don't want to miss. Okay, this is a V8.
Yes, beautiful.
Sure. This is go to the Cape with that.
I'll tell you what, it's something else. Huh?
Carry the jerry cans on the back and just keep going. And of course, 1199. The Panigale in person. F4s. 1299. Looks like a dry clutch. And haven't seen a lot of boosters. What's going on with the boosters? The boosters aren't present. There's a booster. Gee, that took a while. So there's a whole booster in this run. A whole booster. Let's see if we find another booster. Phasers, BMWs, GSs. Yeah. What a ride. Here we go. A community coming together. This is my team. We've seen everybody already, but I'm just going to give you a long... Oh, here's a beautiful blackbird. Excuse the pun, because this one is a blackbird. And there's the rest of the crowd. So there we go. Hope you've enjoyed so far. This is for YouTube. I might be 53, but I have a channel.
Hey, you're never too old.
It's it. left. Okay. You went straight. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Right, so once again, another outing. This time, no coffee shops, but merely celebrating something that has been taking place for many, many years in this country, the toy run. I have to be honest, I didn't have many toys to offer today, but I was certainly a big part of the whole thing. There were a lot of motorcycles, but not what we were accustomed to. So, but anyway, it was great. We had good fun. The fellowship is fantastic, and meet some people and groups to the point where I've met some people from another club that want to gather in prayer, which was fantastic. Anyway, those are personal and private incidents that I'm going to take with me with this trip. I just want to thank you guys for being a part of my trips and a part of my channel. This has been quite a ride, and I don't know what the next video is going to bring, but I hope this was interesting and that you've enjoyed it thus far. So wherever you are, thank you very much. Have a blessed day, morning, evening, and we'll see you around. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.